everyone, this is a new tutorial about how to make some money on the internet. So first go to Google and type Redbubble. Go on this link, then on this page click on sell your art, then click on start selling. After that type your email, type the email, the username, then the password, then click on sign up. Once you are on the dashboard, just go and click on add a new work. Now here you can upload the work or the design you have made on Canva or on Photoshop. First, I will go back and show you how to make a design free. So go to Google and type Canva design t-shirt. Click on this link, then click on create a t-shirt, then use your account on Canva. You have many options here to choose. So for example, I will choose this one. You can make some changes, or you can change the whole word on the design, or you can choose any of these examples here. Simple. You can add these a new word, or you can modify this once. After you have done the editing on Canva, just go to download the design. So because this is the free version of Canva, so we need to remove the background. So just click on the download and go to Google and type background removal. Click on the first link. It is free. Upload your image here. Go to download. This is the first one. Then click on the download. Now we have a design. Go back to Redbubble, then click on upload new work. And here we are. This is the results. As you are seeing that this is some that the design is too small, you can edit on Canva. It's up to you now to make these changes. Here you give the title simple way to live. Some tags. Life. Wonder. And so on. Here you type the description of the this is my way. Then choose you can edit these designs here. You see all the products available on the Redbubble. Once you have done the editing, just click on apply changes. So just choose the product you want to sell and that suits your design. For example, this one and this one. Select this one And at the end, just go directly to the bottom to click on the save my work. I agree. And just say yes. Congratulations. Now you have added your product or your design on Redbubble. So return to dashboard